Yeah, hi friends. My name is Philip Chandan, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel, Energy and Environment Education. Friends, today I'm going to discuss a very important topic that's called sustainability. Anyone who is interested to know more on sustainability and also want to build career on sustainability, so for them this is a very important video because I'm going to discuss what is sustainability all about in this particular video, and also in coming videos I'm going to discuss more on the sustainability aspects. So maybe some of the people who may not be knowing about sustainability, it's maybe a new thing for them, or maybe some of them of you might have already come across this word sustainability. So anybody who is interested to know about sustainability and also want to make career in environmental sector, for all those people this is a very important topic to understand, and also it's important to for your career also, friends. So I'll discuss in detail what is sustainability all about in this particular video, and also in coming videos I'll give you a number of tips on sustainability and on a number of concepts on sustainability, friends, which may help you to make your career in sustainability and also to understand sustainability in a better way, friends. So stay connected with me, and let's start today's video to understand what is sustainability all about, friends. So to start with, let's see a very simple definition of sustainability, friends. Sustainability means meeting our own needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. What do you mean by this? Basically, friends, we should not compromise first of all on our needs. I mean, whatever need, whatever requirement you have, please feel free to have it. You should try to meet all your needs, whatever requirement you have. You should not hesitate to meet your own needs, friends. But that should not compromise with the future generation, friends. This means whatever you require, you should have it, but that should not hamper, that should not compromise with the future generation, friends. I'll try to explain you in detail about this aspect of sustainability in the coming slides, friends. Sustainability is the process of living within the limits. This means what? You should try to live within your limit. You should not try to acquire anything in excess. Anything which you require for your survival, there's no wrong in having all those things, friends. But having in excess, which is not required, which unnecessary you are acquiring it, those practices has to be removed, friends. So sustainability is a process of living within the limits. Whatever is required, whatever is necessary for you, that much you should have it for your survival, friends. Unnecessary things has to be avoided. That's what sustainability is all about, and this is the process of living within the limits, friends. Sustainability also means we need not repeat the same what our past generations have done. Friends, our past generations have done number of mistakes for which we are paying the price today. I'll try to explain you this thing in detail in the coming slides or also in the coming videos, friends. Our past generations have done number of mistakes for which we are paying the price. And if we continue to do the same mistakes, repeat the same mistakes, then again our future generation are also going to pay the heavier price than what we are paying today, friends. So we should try to avoid all those things. We should try to avoid all those mistakes that has been done by the past generation, such that our future generation can have a better life. This is what sustainability is all about. This means we should not think about only about ourselves. Also, we should think about the future generation, about their life, friends. The life that we are, having today. Our future generation should have better life than what we are having today, friends. But the way we continue, the way what the past generation have done, in the same way, if we continue, so it's going to be more horrible for the future generation, friends. Our future generation will have a not a good life. they will really feel hard to survive, friends. So you should not take any step which is compromising the future generation, friends. I'll explain you in detail in the coming slides and also in the coming videos, friends. So in order to understand sustainability in a better way, what I had given you some definitions of sustainability in the last slides. To understand in a better way, friends, let's take an example of a fossil fuel. Now what happened? These fuel were available in plenty, friends, that you must be also aware of. But what our past generations have done, they started using these fossil fuels during the industrial revolutions, like coal, petrol, diesel, all these things they have used in plenty, and they didn't limit themselves while using these resources. As a result, what happened? These resources are now limited. It has got exhausted, friend, and we are literally, this present generation is literally struggling with these resources, friends, with these fossil fuels, because you must have heard about, you must have read about that coal now is not in plenty. They are getting exhausted. Oil, even natural gas is not in plenty. They are getting exhausted, friends. Just think the way our past generation have done for us, the way they have exhausted all these things, and we are struggling about all these resources. We are not able to use it in a plenty, friends. The market price is increasing day by day. If you see natural gas or oil or coal, petroleum products, all these prices are increasing because supply is limited, availability is limited, demand is increasing day by day, friends. So as a result, what happens? The price is increasing, and also the supply is not available. A lot of countries are there, a lot of industries are there who are really struggling with this thing, friends. Just imagine if this is the present condition, friends, what's going to happen in the future generation. So if you continue to use it today without any limitation, if you continue to exhaust all these natural resources, friends, so in coming years, our future generation will not be having anything left. They will be more struggling than what we are doing today, friends. So we need to think not about only about ourselves, about our survival. We also need to think about the future generation, friends, and that's what sustainability is all about. Sustainability tells you to think about yourself first, fulfill your needs, but not compromising the needs of the future generation. This means we should also think about the future generation, their needs that's going to come in the coming years, friends. So this is what sustainability is all about. I hope this example is now clear to you to understand the concept of sustainability in a very, very simple way, friends. So look at this picture, friends. It's a self-explanatory picture. The pollution is really critical today, friends. The environment is getting polluted day by day. Our past generations have, polluted the entire environment. The air has been polluted due to the industrial revolution, friends. And what we are doing today, we are adding more and more pollution to the environment by different means. So instead of minimizing the pollution, we are still adding more and more pollution to the environment, friends. And that's going to be more problematic for the future generation. This means now the air is polluted. We are struggling to breathe. Country like India, the air index is so poor here, friends. So if you are struggling now, and if you do not control the air pollution, that's more and more increasing day by day. So what our future generation will be left with? Just think about the future generation, friends, how they are going to struggle, how much problematic will be for them, for their survival, friends. So this is what sustainability is all about. We have to think about the environment, we have to think about our survival, and also the future generation, friends, how they are going to survive. If you make their life more and more miserable, more pitiable, then how they are going to survive, friends. So we have to think about ourselves, but also we have to think about the future generation, about their lives, about the condition of the lives, how they are going to survive, friends. So this is what sustainability is all about. So our activity matters. Whatever we do, friends, today is going to impact not only this generation, also the future generation or coming generation, friends. Our activity is going to impact them, friends. So we need to think about the activity that we are doing today, the way we consume the resources, the way we waste the resources. the way you reuse the resources, all these activities will really impact and will matter for the future generations to come, friends. So we need to think about our activities. We need to plan it out the way we have to handle these resources, and not only resources, any other activity we do here has to be planned out. So we need to switch to sustainability, friends. We need to think about sustainability such that our generation will not struggle, and also the coming generation, the future generation will have a better life, friends. Our activity will not hamper or will not compromise with the future generation, friends. Any activity we do today will not impact the future generation in a negative way, friends. Those things has to be kept in mind, and therefore we need to switch to sustainability to have a better life, not for only ourselves and also for the future generations to come, friends. So I hope, friends, you have got a bit of idea about sustainability, what sustainability is all about. Sustainability is a vast topic, friends. It's not possible to explain entire thing in a single video, friends. So I am going to make number of videos on sustainability to have a better concept building for you. So if you are interested to know more on sustainability, the concept of sustainability, for all those people, it's very important to be connected with me, because I'm going to post number of videos in coming days on sustainability aspect, for sustainability domain, friends, and all different concepts on sustainability, which will also help you to make your career, friends. So anybody who is thinking about making career in the environmental sector, especially in the sustainability domain, for all those people, this is a very important video, and the coming video is also going to be important, because this will help you to shape your career, friends. This will help you to understand more on sustainability, more the career opportunity in sustainability, friend, which is a really good profile to work in. And in the coming scenario, in the present scenario, and also in the coming days, this is going to be a booming sector, friends. There are a lot of job opportunities you can have in this particular sector, in the sustainability sector, friends. So stay connected with me if you want to know more on sustainability, and also if you want to make career in sustainability domain, friends. And before you leave, friends, please do subscribe my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel, Energy and Environment Education. Also press the bell icon, friends, such that you get the instant notification as soon as I post a new video in coming days, friends. Also please like, share and comment whatever you have on this particular video, and keep watching all other videos also, friends. This is my mobile number and email ID. If you have any query on this particular video or any other video, please do write me on this mobile number. This is my WhatsApp number also, and also on my email ID, friends. So keep watching the videos. I hope this video is helping you, will help you out in some way understanding the sustainability aspect, friends. And also if you are looking forward to shape career, make career in sustainability domain, friends, these videos are going to really help you out. So please be connected with me. So that's all for today, and stay connected with me, and we'll be meeting in a new video soon, friends, in coming days.